Hey guys, if you haven't, if you haven't seen me before or haven't watched my videos before, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, so I've got this bag. So I'm going to Mauritius and I need to pick for Ginger. So first I've got this floaty. His ducks on it, if you can see. It's quite nice. So this is the hardest bit to open. Put it in this box. So I've got other. I tried making them fast, but passport. I'll show you the detail. Well, I'll show you the details now. So I need the passport. Okay, so it says a Milo, and then you have 6 years old, and it is from Guide Dogs. Oh, that's wrong. So that's for my other dog. That's Milo. And in here. Yeah, in here. Alright, so you know this kindergarten eggs? Like, I've used I've tried to find them and all. I found, like, I've really opened 2. My friend told me to, yeah, I got it. So I've got teddies. A nice colour, which looks like it's turned green. And then this baby koala. So put that right down here, or wait, let's just go and get something. I've got this. Let's put it down here. So put it down on this. Can you see? Okay. So this has so much detail. Well, not so much, but yes, baby koala has 2 eyes. See? And now we have the. I just did it, now I can't do it. Okay. Oh wait, I will sort it out. Wait. Okay, I can't sort it out, but I just put them here. Just on this. So then we have a drink. And the next one. We're not really going to use this drink, so that's why I got this other drink. Here I've got tons of stuff. So we put the food in here. I've got a pie, fruit, grapes and banana, chips, and I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is either. We've got a biscuit. So we've got spaghetti bolognese. It's not spaghetti. And we've got popcorn. Then we have the most nicest thing, which I hate, is cheese. So I've got cheese. So this is really good. So put that back in. Got the drink. a magazine and a book. Then in this plastic bag we have we have a laptop, which is very detailed, as you can see, and a purse, which is kind of detailed. There's like patterns right here, so you put that in this plastic bag. Plop and plop. So yeah, we put everything put in the bag. Oh yes, and here I don't really have much stuff, but like yeah, I can show you. I just have a crate, a bottle. This is when they were moving house. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Peace.